Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my nail dip at home, show you guys how I do it. I showed you this kit. It's from Amazon. It's about $35 and it comes with everything you need. I use a few additional tools, so I'm going to show you guys what all I use, and you will save that $40 every time you get your nails done with this one $35 kit. So let's just jump right in. The first thing that comes in the kit is this brush softener. You don't really use that. And an activator, base coat, and top coat. Now this is from Slick Pour. It's a kit I used to have before. It's the prep step, not necessary. This is the color that comes with it, called Contract Please. I'm actually going to be using a Slick Pour color today in the color Know It All. Then you just need a fluffy brush. This is a cuticle pusher, and I'll show you how I use it. This file comes in your kit. Another file to shape your nails. This step is completely optional. It's a drill that I got off Amazon for $11. If you're comfortable using it, it makes it quicker, but not necessary, and it has all of the attachments. These are lint-free wipes that come with it, and alcohol. If you didn't have the Slick Pour, the alcohol will replace it. You can use other brands of powder. This is Slick Pour, what I had before, and they all work just as well with it. These are some colors that I had. They sell this at Ulta now. So that's everything you will need. First step is wine. Just kidding. Alright, you're going to use the rough side of the file, and this is just like they do at the salon, and you're going to kind of rough your nails up a little. I like doing it at home because you're in control and you don't have to worry about your nails being thin and over filed, so just rough them up a little. Then I'm just spraying alcohol. If you didn't have the Slick Pour prep, then this works just as well. And I just kind of pat off the excess after I let it sit for a second. Now this step, like I said, completely optional. You definitely don't need to do both, so my nails are never coming off. Y'all are welcome. Let that dry. Then I just get the base coat, and I get it in very thin amounts. You don't want to use a lot of product on your brush. Get as thin of a coat as you can, and just be careful not to get it on your cuticles or on the outside of your fingers. You want it only on the nail because it is kind of like super glue. And then I'm just using that cuticle pusher to sprinkle some powder on my nail, and then I shake it off and repeat the steps. Now on my right hand, I'm going to show you guys the other method, which is the method that I prefer. I just think it's much easier, but it's completely up to you. Both work very well. And you just paint it on like you did before and just dip your nail right into it. It's super easy. It's just like painting your nails and then dipping them in powder. Now just get your fluffy brush and brush around your cuticles and lightly on the top of your nail. And then repeat the steps again with the painting and the dipping. You should really do 2 coats of this. If you're feeling like your color isn't dark enough, then you can do 3, but I definitely don't recommend it if you don't want to be filing a lot, just because you don't want to be thick. Now I'm taking the activator and just putting it on all of my nails. Now you're going to get the base coat that you just used and put a very thin coat on all your nails and let it dry. Now this part is completely not necessary, like I said, but I'm going to show you guys both ways because if you're comfortable with a drill, it is much easier in my opinion, but really both ways are super easy. It's just quicker. kitten. He's so cute. But he sneak attacks. With my left hand, when I'm using the drill with my left hand, to do my right hand, I really let my right hand do all the work. I just hold it really steadily with my left hand and just use my right hand to move my nail. Now if you're going to use the file that came in the kit, you're going to use the most rough side first and just file them down. Once they're pretty smooth, you don't feel any big lumps, then you're going to move to the middle one and do the same thing. Make sure you get the edges. And then finally with the finest side, and just fluff that out. Your nail should be real nice and smooth. So on my left hand I do the same thing, and I do it just like I do with the drill. I hold it with my left hand and make my right hand really do all of the work. And you're just going to repeat this process using all three sides on all of your nails until they're perfectly smooth. I brush them off with this little lint-free paper. And then I'm putting the activator on. You're going to let that dry for 20 seconds and then get your lint-free little paper again and just rub all of your nails to get any of the excess off. Now I'm taking the top coat, and you want to do the same thing. You want to work with not a lot of product on the brush. The more thin the coat, the easier it is, and you won't get it all messy around your cuticles. So just brush that on all of your nails. And you're going to actually do this twice. Repeat this process 2 times. Your nails should be dry in about 5 minutes, and this is what they turn out like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you learned how to do your nails at home, and I will talk to you guys soon.